Hello, my name is Ernest Woods, also known as DZ. Today I'll be talking to you about computer hardware and software. Just so we are clear and on the same page, computer hardware is the physical parts that make up the computer, everything we see and touch. Some of the hardware components that make up a computer system is a monitor, a CPU, which is the central processing unit, keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker, scanner, zip drive, and a video camera. Now, computer hardware consists of electronic and mechanical elements of a computer. The hardware includes the system unit, which has components such as a motherboard, CPU, chipset, hard disk, RAM, video card, and sound card. The hardware also includes the peripherals that are used for input, output, and storage of data. Now, one of the most important parts of a computer system is the central processing unit, also known as the CPU, or the brain. This is where we store the software, and this is where the workload is actually performed inside of the computer. All the components inside of the CPU are delicate and has to be protected at all times for best performance. Now, there are other types of computer hardware as well. For example, CPU processes and manages information and can be called the brain. Then there is the internal bus that connects the motherboard to the video and sound card, and the PCI bus that connects the hardware devices to the computer. The North Bridge and the South Bridge form the core logic chipset, which controls the exchange of information between the hard disk and the computer. Now, the North Bridge connects the South Bridge to the computer, and they both determine how fast the system can access memory. The external bus is controlled by either the South Bridge or the PCI bus. Let's talk about the RAM. The RAM is the random access memory that stores and processes the information that you're working with. The RAM is faster than the hard disk, but it is volatile, which means that it stores information temporarily and loses all information when the power is switched off. The types of RAMs are SRAM and DRAM. The BIOS is the basic input-output system and consists of the firmware. The FireWire connects a digital video camera to the computer. The SATA connects the hard disk drives to the computer, while the eSATA is external SATA. Now, computer software is not physical. This includes the programs or applications needed for the functioning and operation of the system. The software tells the hardware what should happen next. For example, when you cut your computer on, if the power comes on, but without software, your computer cannot do any of the functions that it is designed to do. Some of the examples of software is Windows Suites, Microsoft Suites, Norton, Print Shop, Mac OS X, and there are many, many, many more. It is essential to have good hardware and software in the industry. The effect it has on the industry is better hardware and software you have, the faster you can perform your task that is at hand. In business entertainment, I am at a high demand to have top-of-the-line hardware and software. For best sound and pictures, for best time quality, to ensure quality, I will have to ensure adequate hardware and software for my computer system. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was very informative for you. You can find this information at www.tomshardware.com, www.bustle.com, images.google.com. Once again, my name is Ernest Woods, and you have a wonderful day.